Hello guys, welcome back to Kali J's Kitchen. In today's video, I'll take you guys in the kitchen with me and I'll show you how to prepare this amazing brown stew fish. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, turn on your post notification bell so you guys can always be notified whenever I upload a new video. Go ahead and tell your friends, tell your family members about Kali J's Kitchen and have them subscribe to my channel. Follow me on Instagram, it's Kali Kitchen _1, and also on Facebook it's Kali J's Kitchen. So here I have my fish and they're already clean and washed, and I also went ahead and rescaled them because most time when you go to the fish market they tell you that this fish is already scaled, but the truth is there's still scale on it. So I want to encourage you guys to go over your fish whenever you go to the fish market or whenever you buy fish in the supermarket. I also went ahead and put on my pot on the stove and I added some garlic to it and also some of my vegetable oil that I'm going to fry my fish in, and I'm going to allow that to just eat up until I'm finished seasoning my fish. So I'm seasoning my fish with some salt and black pepper. Later down in the cooking process, I will add some powdered seasoning. All of these ingredients that I'm using today, you can get them at your local supermarket or grocery shop. Remember to be creative in the kitchen. Remember to be you in the kitchen, and most of all, utilize whatever you have at home. You can even visit your local fish market and you will get fresh fish there as well, and also your local meat shop and you will get fish. So I'm gonna go ahead and add my fish to the hot oil, and I don't want my fish to fry too dry. So what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna give it around 7 minutes, so 3.5 minutes on each side. I also went ahead and cut up some onion, some of my bell pepper, some more garlic, and I also add some of my French thyme. I also made a sauce for my fish, and basically the sauce is some ketchup. I also added some of my soy sauce and some barbecue sauce, combine that together with some water, and that's what we're going to use for the sauce for our fish. So once my fish is finished frying, I'm just going to go ahead and remove them and fry the remainder of the fish. As you guys can see, I also changed the pot. So I'm going to add all of the chopped onion, the bell peppers. Of course, you know you need your Scotch bonnet pepper and my garlic and my French thyme, and just combine all of that goodness together. You always want to extract all of that flavor, all of that goodness. As I said, I made a sauce. And basically, as I said, the sauce is some ketchup, some barbecue sauce, and also some soy sauce with some water. Combine all of that goodness together, and that's what we are going to add to this. And we're going to allow it to come to a boil, but we're going to add some powdered seasoning to this. Remember to always taste, just in case you want to add some more ketchup or you want to add some more seasoning. You do not need to add any salt because we already seasoned the fish, and the seasoning, the powdered seasoning that I'm using now, it contains a lot of salt, so you don't need to add any salt. You can also go ahead and tip some black pepper on this. So once my sauce comes to a boil, I'm going to go ahead and add the fish, and you always want to take up some of that sauce and just pour it over your fish. Once I add all of the fish, I'm just going to cover it and give it an additional 7 to 8 minutes, and then I'll show you guys the final product. You can always go ahead and have this with some rice. You can have it with some banana, dumpling, yam, whatever you have at home. Christmas is coming. You can always add some brown stew fish to the menu. If you guys not able to get the whole fish, you can always go ahead and buy sliced fish, or if you want to use fish fillet, you can always go ahead and use it. It's up to you what you prefer. So in a few minutes, I'll show you guys the final product of this amazing brown stew fish. And there you have it, guys, the final product of this amazing brown stew fish. I hope you guys enjoyed today's recipe. I hope you guys go ahead and subscribe and turn on your post notification bell. We are on our way to 7K subscribers. Can you believe it? Help me get there by sharing and just telling your friends and families about Kali J's Kitchen. Thank you again so much for watching, and see you guys tomorrow for another awesome recipe. Bye, guys.